Hello everyone, we are with our NVDA stock. In our last video, we determined our trend lines, we determined our support and resistance levels. With this, we will continue our review more easily. Now, when we look at the moving averages, we think at the 116 region, namely, and 115 and region is important. If it starts to close below this, I think it may experience sex up to 109 region here. With this, if these corrections continue, it will continue on its way again in a zigzag form and will continue to narrow according to the narrow area triangle formation. When we look at the 4-hour chart of NVIDIA, we see that moving averages are very close to each other. However, if the average breaks in the movement, because there have been several upward movements, but the moving averages have brought the price closer to itself again. If these breaks occur, friends, there may be pullbacks to the 109 region. After these guerrilla pullbacks, it may need to recover and try the upward trend line